Right, so that was a cheeky lap in the 500 brake Cupra. Fully forged, mount tuning tape, racing lines, catch can. Wagner intercooler, K-Sport, brakes, coilovers, you know the deal. And a Cobra exhaust system. Me and my brother's first lap of the Nürburgring. He's never done an actual proper lap before. That same one bar, oh man, I bet the battery's gonna die halfway through this. Oh my god, come on, please don't. Feels good though, feels good.
It's coming up, let him go.
Right, slow down, yeah. There we go.
Follow his lines. Get some room for the tyres.
Yeah man. Yeah, if you come out kind of wider, you can kind of shoot in easier. So feather it in.
This was the time I did. Is it?
Yeah, come out a bit wider and then like you can kind of cut in better.
Yeah.
Just catches you off a bit, innit? Go on. You're gonna be right. There we go. Go on, son. Here we go. Slow down here. I'd go manual, I would. I'd be shifting.
I am.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. Keep going round, keep going down. There we go. Lovely. Come on that way. Yeah, close that. The brake to me. There we go. Yes. Sick man, sick. Love it. Yeah. That way. Yeah. Go on, look at that. Spin it in a bit. There we go. Come on, watch it. Too far over the grass, man. Okay, no. Yeah, you want the brakes. You can kind of do it. Well, me should blasted this flat.
No, not that. Not my first time.
Just be gentle on stuff. That's all you gotta be, because otherwise you.
No rush, man.
How you feel?
Alright.
Yeah. Nervous. On the brakes here, because this is dodgy. This is if you ain't got a big spoiler. Yeah, come in more. There we go.
On the power.
Yeah. There we go.
Hard braking.
Yeah. So you got plenty of brakes, man. There we go.
Slowly on it.
There we go.
This is where I'm paranoid, man.
Boy, hit that. There we go. Really? Yeah. Go on.
Wow.
Yeah. Compression.
Brakes.
Go on. Hit that apex. Hit it. Yeah. Slow it down. Yeah. This is where it catches most people out. So
big U-turn.
Slow down. Yeah. This is like a U-turn, so come out wide and then scoot back in. That's where people smash it up there.
Yeah.
There we go. Go on the power. Go. There we go. Boy, 6.
Loving low boost.
Yeah. Go on the brakes. Slow down a bit. Ease it in, a bit closer. Jump on the brakes, boy.
Yeah, going out the aisle then, went on.
Yeah. Woo! Jeez, man. Watch it. This one can catch up on you because it comes back on itself.
I can feel it.
Yep. Oh, the brakes are phenomenal, aren't they? Yeah, go on.
Oh, yeah, that bit, brakes are a bit shit now.
Nah. What, really?
Yeah. think they are, man. Let this.
Oh, trust him again. Oh, look at that, man. Ah,
Brakes it down, they should.
have that.
I think so.
Does it feel shit or what?
Bit hard.
Just watch it round here.
So hard I take it is fade. Brake fade. Whoa, on the corner.
Yeah, the world, these are smoking,
This
these
is where
are.
the uphill bit is, Aaron.
Yeah.
To chill like. What do you think?
Yeah, keep going a bit. I wouldn't. So we're at 108 degrees. His engine builder said about 115. Hopefully he can hear us. Wow, we've got beers gone.
now, isn't it?
Yeah, but there's still a lot more of the track to go,
I don't know
man.
what that light is. I think that's
What?
25 what that is. Oh, I gotta let these pass. Fuck, he's flying.
Slow down, slow down, slow down. Yeah.
Oh
You
my
don't want to
God.
catch them on the corner, mate. Scirocco and a
And a-
Porsche GT3 RS. Oh my! This is one that catches you out. This is tight. This is. Watch it. This turns in here quite a bit. This is where that crash was. You know, on the video,
Yeah,
in the
on
Fiesta.
oil.
Yeah. There we go, man. How you feel so far? It does feel good. It's a lot better on here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Man, I can't hear nothing.
Bad days. Oh, my ears are gone and everything, man.
Have that.
Dry mouth.
Squeaky bum time. %, done too bad. They've sat around 106, so it's at 180 degrees now. Go on, watch it.
Let these pass.
Just
Flashing
stay
it,
as
man.
far right as you can, innit? Oh man, that
Brakes are, man.
Go over it, man. The carousel's coming up.
What is it?
Yeah. Yeah, get close. On the brakes,
Brakes are better
on the
now.
brakes. Yeah, there we go. Keep going, go on. Feed her in, there we go. Carousel's coming up, slow the fuck down, slow down. You're dropping in.
Yeah, where is it?
There, slow down, go on. Slow down, don't go too fast because you'll fucking pop out. Oh my god! You were going too fast?
Ah.
You was. Mate, that was fast like that. That felt like you was
We
going
didn't even
to
think
slow
going
down
up, yeah.
for that. Hey,
We didn't even caught the gear up.
that Kia's flying.
Yeah.
Yeah, slow down, it's because this corner's tight, man. Go on. There you go. Be careful around here, these are tight as fuck, man. Slow. Yes, lovely. This coming round.
Right, be, man. This the corner there,
Nearly,
right now?
yeah, nearly. Well, yeah, go on, hit that. Hit the apex. Watch out for the BM, slow down. Jump on the brakes. Let him pass. Let him pass. There we go, go on. YouTube corner now.
Yeah.
Be careful though, man. Oh, mate. Jump on the brakes. Slow down a bit. Yep, brakes. Yes. Brake. Yes. Whoa.
Lifting there,
Mate,
like on
slow down. You're too aggressive. Slow. Fuck.
I'm following him and he's like that.
You don't want to make the angles too sharp.
Too.
Come down here. Hit that, see if you can. What we doing? Get ready. Nah, brake.
I was in the fourth, man.
can't see the end of the road here, it disappears. Fuck. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Come close, come close, come close, yep. Slow down, slow down. This bit's where you can't see where the road is. This catches you off guard a bit because it's quite a turn. Yep, slow down here a bit. Right. Sorry man, you fucking scary me.
Yeah, it's bad. A bit of a voice on it.
Yeah, if I'm no driver, slow down, you're still fucking flying around this bit. Go. Lock it in. Yes!